TELTA IES training video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use SunCast, IES's solar shading analysis tool. First I select SunCast from the applications menu. Tools at the top of the screen have changed and also the icons have changed, and I can now see the Model tab, the Images tab and the Analysis tab. SunCast has three functions. The first function is to generate images and movies of the shading around the building. The second function is to perform solar shading calculations for linking into Apache SimDynamics simulation tool. The third function of SunCast is to perform external solar analysis on the building. I can then view the solar power on the outside surface of the building or the time in direct sunlight. First, I'll demonstrate how to create single images. I select the Images tab and the first icon on the left hand side, single image. I can set the date, 21st of June, and I can select the time for which I would like to generate the image. I can also set the azimuth and the altitude. So the azimuth is the eye position from north, so 140 degrees is approximately southeast. The altitude is degrees from the horizon, which in this case is 40 degrees. I can now generate an image. If I now change the azimuth to 220 degrees and generate a second image, so I'm now looking from further around the building. I can also change the altitude, generate a third image, and I can now see the building from a lower angle of view. I can select on any of the images to view. I can copy and paste into a document, save as a file, or print. I can also delete single images or all images together. The second function is to generate timed images. Again, we can select the day and month, but now we also have a start time at 6 p.m. and a stop time at 6 p.m. We also have steps that we can change, and we also have the azimuth and the altitude that can be changed. We can generate images. SunCast will generate an image every 2 minutes between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. for the 21st of June. Again, we can select the images. We can use the mouse to zoom in, and also we can use the tools at the top of the screen to zoom and pan. We can also save the zoom factor and apply to all other images, and again scroll through our images. A video can be generated using the Create Video icon. Each of the images are a frame in the video. So to create a video, we select the Create Video icon. The IES Movie Maker screen appears. Frames per second can be changed, and we can make the video. So the video will be generated as an AVI file, and the video will then open and play. The third icon on the left hand side is called Fly Around Images. The date and month and time can be set, along with the eye position. We'll change the steps to 1 and generate images. So to generate a fly around of the building at one particular time. The fourth icon, Sun View Images, is the last icon on the left hand side. The Sun View images are based on your eye being aligned with the sun. Therefore you should never see a shadow. So in this case we'll change the steps to 5 So I'll change the time step to 5 minutes for 21st of June, starting at 6 AM and stopping at 6 PM. We'll select the Create Images. Note that we do not see shadows, so how to interpret this is whatever I can see is in direct sunlight, and whatever I cannot see is in shade.